The FPV drone world is changing faster than anyone expected. What we're witnessing right now is not a small upgrade or a simple product refresh. It is something much bigger. The launch of the new DJI Avata 360 has started a massive shift in the drone industry. This drone is not just another addition to DJI's lineup. It is a loud message, a message that DJI is still leading the race, even while facing huge political pressure, strict regulations, and constant competition from new companies. This new drone shows that DJI is not slowing down. In fact, they are accelerating harder than ever before. For the past few years, FPV drones and aerial videography tools have been evolving quickly, but nothing prepared the industry for the kind of transformation DJI has just delivered. The Avata 360 is a direct answer to rising competition, especially from companies working on spherical 360 drones that were expected to dominate the market in 2026. Many analysts believe DJI would wait until next year to launch something major in the 360 category, but DJI decided to break the timeline. They decided to move fast, and they decided to launch a product that changes everything. There's a clear reason behind this sudden acceleration. A very important deadline is approaching, December 23rd. This date matters because it could lead to a U.S. import ban, or it could place DJI on the FCC's covered list. Both outcomes would make it extremely hard for DJI to sell new products in the United States. This pressure forced DJI to reveal one of the most advanced drones they have ever created. They had to do it before anything changes in the regulatory landscape. So instead of launching the drone in mid-2026 as expected, DJI pushed this breakthrough product to late 2024. And this move has shocked the entire industry. The Avata 360 is not a simple drone with a 360 feature. It is a complete rethinking of what a drone can be. It is a combination of a full 360-degree capture system and a high-speed FPV performer. DJI did not just create a drone that records everything around it. They created a drone that can switch between two identities instantly. One moment, it is a fully immersive spherical camera. The next moment, it becomes a powerful traditional FPV drone shooting forward-facing, ultra-smooth 4K footage. This kind of hybrid technology has never been implemented like this before. DJI has turned what looked like a concept into a real flying machine. While competitors were preparing to release their 360 drones in early 2026, DJI saw an opportunity to strike early. A competitor was set to become the first big player in 360 FPV capture, but DJI changed the game. They moved ahead by months, and the way they did it was extremely smart. The Avata 360 received its FCC certification on November 19th, which signaled to everyone that DJI had finished development and was ready to launch. This certification alone started a chain reaction in the drone world. Competitors went into panic mode. Their plans for a January 2026 launch suddenly looked too late. They were forced to push their release schedules forward. DJI's timing was perfect. It showed incredible coordination between research, design, and supply chain. But DJI's goal was not simply to compete. They wanted to dominate the space with technology that is clearly ahead of anything else available. And the most impressive part of this drone is the new rotating camera system. DJI has patented a dynamic, electrically powered module that can rotate the camera hardware in real time. With one press of a button, the drone transforms. It literally changes its imaging position. This means you can capture a full 360-degree environment when you want immersive footage and then instantly switch to a forward-facing FPV mode when you need speed, control, and cinematic direction. It is like having two drones combined into one compact machine. Most 360 drones available today force you into a single workflow. They record everything around them, which is great for VR, immersive videos, or virtual tours. But when you want a clean forward-facing shot, those drones still capture spherical footage that must be stitched later. That stitching process takes time. It requires powerful editing systems, and it slows down creators who want to upload quickly or deliver work to clients under tight deadlines. DJI's new system solves this problem completely. When you switch modes, the Avata 360 behaves like a normal FPV drone. The footage is easy to use instantly without stitching. This is a massive win for professional videographers, YouTubers, and content creators. The camera hardware itself is just as advanced. DJI included dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors. These sensors are large, bright, and capable of incredible detail. When recording in full 360 mode, the drone can output stunning 8K video at 50 frames per second. This level of resolution is far ahead of what most action cameras can deliver. It gives creators the ability to crop, rotate, zoom, and reframe their shots without losing clarity. And for still photos, the drone captures panoramic 38-megapixel images. These are wide, sharp, and rich in color, perfect for social media, large digital displays, or even printed media. When switched to FPV mode, the camera records at 4K 120 frames per second. This high frame rate is essential for smooth motion, especially during fast dives, flips, or racing-style maneuvers. FPV pilots often perform sharp turns or sudden accelerations. With 120 frames per second footage, everything remains fluid and detailed. This makes the drone useful for both cinematic filming and pure freestyle flying. DJI has designed a tool that appeals to professionals and thrill seekers at the same time. The Avata 360 does not only excel in imaging. Its physical structure is also revolutionary. DJI built the drone with a strong carbon fiber and TPU protective cage. It is shaped like a spherical exoskeleton around the drone. This cage protects the body, the propellers, and the internal components, and it is removable in less than 30 seconds. This allows pilots to switch between a more rugged FPV setup and a lighter configuration depending on their needs. The design is inspired by professional racing drones where durability and agility matter the most. Because of the cage and the internal stability systems, the drone can survive aggressive flight patterns. It can handle rolls, flips, tumbles, and even inverted flight. The internal free rotation compensation system keeps the drone balanced, and the footage stays perfectly stable thanks to DJI's newest stabilization technologies. They combine Rocksteady 3.0 with Horizon Infinity stabilization. This combination delivers footage that looks smooth, locked, and cinematic even during chaotic movement. The rocking effect you see in cheap FPV drones is completely gone here. The horizon remains level, the movements feel controlled, and the overall footage looks polished, the kind you expect from high-end professional gear. DJI's pricing strategy is also aggressive. The Flymore combo starts at $999. Analysts expected a price around $1,300 to $1,700, but DJI went much lower. This makes the Avata 360 highly competitive. At this price, professionals and serious hobbyists get a powerful hybrid drone with advanced technology that no competitor currently offers. However, there is one important detail. The drone weighs around 377 grams. This is above the common 250-gram threshold used in many countries. Drones below 250 g can usually fly without registration, but heavier drones often require licensing or certification. DJI knows this, but they also know who their target user is. They are clearly aiming at professionals, licensed pilots, and serious creators, not beginners. Competitors are focusing on the lightweight category. DJI is focusing on performance. This difference in strategy shapes the future of the FPV market. While other companies try to appeal to casual users by avoiding regulations, DJI is building tools for creators who want the best quality, the best stability, and the best features. They're not trying to play safe. They're trying to lead. And all of this is happening under extremely high pressure. If the December 23rd review does not go in DJI's favor, the Avata 360 could become one of the last DJI drones to legally enter the US market for a long time. This adds even more weight to the release. The drone is not only a new product, it is a symbol, a statement, a final demonstration of DJI's innovation capability in case regulatory barriers tighten. The Avata 360 captures a moment in technology history. It represents the peak of what DJI has been building for years. It shows how far drone engineering has evolved, and it demonstrates that the company is still capable of pushing boundaries despite the obstacles around them. Whether you care about FPV racing, cinematic production, immersive video mapping, vlogging, or creative storytelling, this drone sets a new bar. It pushes the entire industry forward. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that. And let me know in the comments below, is the Avata 360 the drone you have been waiting for, or are you sticking with traditional FPV? In my opinion, this hybrid approach is exactly what the industry needed, and DJI absolutely nailed the execution. Thanks for watching.